Hey, I just wanted to show you the super cool, super rare 1953 WIllys M38A1 fire truck that we just brought back from the dead for the Hartwood Volunteer Fire Department. It had been sitting in a shed for a number of years, and what had happened was, unfortunately, they had left it full of gasoline, forgot to drain out the gas, so the entire gas tank was just gone, the carb was rotted out, all the fuel lines were just full of gunk and varnish. So we replaced the entire fuel system. Got it firing up, actually. It ran really good, and then we went to drive it, and the brakes completely detonated. So we ended up redoing the entire braking system as well, and then all the fluids, and then a bunch of electrical. I mean, it still works. And then, you know, we just kind of rebuilt the whole thing, more or less, right? Like, so gas, brakes, fluids, all the running gear, driveline, TK service, axle services, all that. The one thing we didn't have to mess with that still worked. You might not want to stand there. So anyways, super cool. We're just going to give you a dime tour of everything. Let me show you under the hood real quick. The only thing we really touched under here, fully rebuilt the car. Looks brand new, acts brand new. Threw a new battery in it, cleaned up some connections, and we swapped out the fuel pump and the regulator because this little guy only likes about 3 to 4 PSI. So we had to make sure to neck that down so it didn't malfunction. Replaced all the radiator and coolant hoses, redid the radiator, all the fuel lines, all the filters. But yeah, after all that, just gonna say, she runs like a top. Listen to that little girl.